Hey guys, welcome to InvestCrest. Today we'll talk about the ways you can make money using the stock market. I have a video coming soon on what is stock market investing, so subscribe to not miss out. Right now we'll be talking about how a stock can make you money. So make sure you smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm so that this video reaches more people. So there's essentially two ways you can make money in the stock market. One is by dividends and second is by growth. You can also make money day trading stocks, but I'm focusing on investing and not trading. Trading too, I believe, in a way comes under the growth category as you would sell the share when its price grows. Now I have an entire video about dividend investing, so you can check that out by clicking the link in the description or the I button on your screen. So now how does a stock actually make money? Let's take a growth stock. Now when you buy a stock, you expect it to grow, that is increase in price. So if you buy a stock for $5, you'll want it to increase in value. You want it to grow. But how will you earn by the growth of a stock? Let's take Apple. That's AAPL in stocks. Now Apple pays dividend, but let's assume it doesn't. So if Apple doesn't pay dividends, why would you want to buy the stock? That's because people believe over time the price of the stock will go up in value. So the $5 value will increase. But why will the price grow? Now back in the day, Apple used to only sell computers. Selling computers would bring money into the company. So that's good. They're making revenue. They're making profits. And the more profits a company makes, the value increases as they're selling a lot more. So when people see Apple doing well, they'll look at its stock and they'll think this stock will go up in value and thus they'll buy more of the stock. So let's say the price of the stock now increased to $7 as more people bought the stock. So even though Apple didn't have dividends, they had a great product that kept putting money in their bank account, which caused their value to grow, which in turn grew the price of the stock. So the prices will be heading upwards. Okay, so now everyone has their computers. Good. So now what? What does Apple do to grow their company? They create the iPod. So now they have two great products, and as we all know, the iPod was a huge boom. Hence, people continue to buy the Apple stock, and now the price of the stock goes up to $10. Now, after the iPod comes the iPhone, another great product. The iPhone, as we all know, is very popular. Now they have three great products and people notice Apple making a lot more money and people think look how good the company is doing and they'll probably come out with more great products in the future. Hence people buy more Apple stock, which leads its stock price to increase, which keeps growing and growing to $15. And then at one point when Apple has so much money that they're like we don't need as much, they pay it out as dividends. In conclusion, a good company will have a good growth stock. But now in the stock market, to buy a stock, someone has to sell, which means someone is right and someone is wrong. So in this case, let's say someone decided to sell the Apple stock at $10 because they, yeah, Apple is great, but this is it. So they were wrong, but because they sold, someone else was able to buy that growth stock and the seller was able to make a $5 profit as well. So guys, this is how you make money in the stock market when you invest in growth stocks. And I hope you like this video. Make sure you like the video so it reaches more people and helps the channel out, and subscribe for more such content.